Assalamu alaikum. Let's learn fun English. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Igloo, igloo, igloo. And what is this? Ink, ink. A bottle of ink. What is this? What is this green? This is iguana, iguana, iguana. Igloo. What is the initial sound of igloo? E. Igloo. Ink. What is the initial sound of ink? E. Ink. Iguana. What is the initial sound of iguana? E. Iguana. Let's learn how to write E sound. Go down, curve, lift, dot. This is E sound. Look at this picture. We have to match the sound with the picture. Sandwich. E sandwich? No. E masjid? Oh no. E igloo? Oh yes, igloo. Then match the sound with the igloo. E igloo. Ink. E ink. Yes, it is. Match the sound with the ink. E ink. Seahorse? E seahorse? No, it is not. See you later. Allah Hafiz.